In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and customize subtitles in Clipchamp. So they're also called captions. Now, what you want to do is you want to go and import your media. So I have this video here of me doing a tutorial and it has some audio on it. Let's have a listen. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how. Okay, nice. So let's say we want to add the captions to this. What we're going to do is we're going to come up here on the right and go to captions. Now make sure you've clicked on the video, otherwise it's not going to work. So click on the video, go to captions, and now turn on auto captions. It's going to ask which language did you use throughout the video. English United Kingdom. And then filter profanity and offensive language. So this is if you want to hide swearing. Turn on captions. Now you've got to wait and it's going to generate the captions here, as you can see. This might take a while, this might be quite quick. Depends how long your video is. Okay, and boom, you can see now on the right the transcript has been made. So if I go onto the video, in today's video I'm going to teach you how to set up basic auto crafting in Applied Editor 2. So you can see it's actually made them pretty well. What I'd recommend doing is going through here, and if you see any mistakes in any parts, you can change it. So the way you change it is you double click here and you can change the word in here. Now also you can add new lines if you wanted to do that. So you can double click on here and change it, or you can just do it in here. Make sure you go back to captions. And now from these captions, now that they're set up, you can just fiddle around with how they look if you want to. So if you just double click here, it's going to give you the option to change the font. If you want to do that, change it to this, for example. You can change if it goes left, right, center. You can change the size like this. You can change the colors. So primary colors here, like this. And then the background color, so that bit there. So there's just a ton of features you can really change with that once you've got that going. And yeah, that's essentially how you do it. Now, if you enjoyed this video and found it useful, please like, subscribe, and comment down below that it helped. Thank you for watching.